The Barrett Support Network is an interesting development we've had in the UK. We are keen for patients to have a support network. What I found in my practice as a doctor over the years is that a lot of patients are given the diagnosis of Barrett's but don't really know what it means, don't know what the outcomes are likely to be, and actually are left with problems, for example, with getting insurance. Personal insurance, holiday insurance, the premiums go up or they simply can't get insured. And there's a lot of anxiety, particularly around gastro-oesophageal reflux symptoms and risks of cancer. One of the things we've done is to set up the Barrett Support Network, which is a network run by patients for patients to give each other support, both in terms of anxiety around their reflux, around cancer risks, but also to support each other in raising money for research and also in raising profile of the disease or the disorder so that other people who suffer with long-term persistent heartburn recognise that they may be at risk of developing esophageal cancer and go and get themselves appropriately investigated. This year we have set ourselves a goal of trying to inform GPs, primary care physicians and pharmacists about Barrett's esophagus and the risks of cancer. It turns out from a focus group we held in London in 2009 that large numbers of general practitioners simply are not aware of Barrett's esophagus and of the cancer risks, and the patients felt very strongly that they needed to inform their general practitioners and also the pharmacists, because if a patient goes to the pharmacist regularly for their Gaviscon for their heartburn, they should be aware that they are at increased risk of esophageal cancer and therefore should go and get themselves screened. Having said that, the majority of people with Barrett's esophagus never do get cancer, and that's important also because there's a fear about cancer risk, and for the majority of people that simply is unfounded, and therefore one has to get some sort of balance, and that's a lot of what the Barrett Support Network will be about.